You want a pickle?
Here you go.
There's your pickle. Eat it. You've been asking for pickles.
Pickle. Do you really like it? Bite it.
Bite it.
You can break it.
Yeah, break it.
Pickle. Pickle.
Eat the pickle.
Pickle. I eat it.
Okay.
Eat it.
Nana.
What?
Eat it.
I don't like pickles.
Do like it.
Do you like pickles?
Do.
Okay. Well. Why are you making that face? You're making Nana have a giggle fit.
Try the pickle.
Have
Eat the
another bite
pickle.
of pickle. No, thank you.
Eat the pickle.
You eat it.
You eat it.
Don't want it.
Okay, put it in the trash. What made you think you like pickles?
Eat it.
No thanks.